tayo, na. Nice kayo na. Makaano ka dyan ka diri ba? Relaxing ba? No, relaxing.
Hi everyone! Today we're at Balay sa Pangpang at Kalinan, Davao City. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, I think mahahanap niyo lang siya sa Google Maps. Also, don't forget to bring your jackets kasi malamig dito. By the way, dinala ko yung DJI ko, hoping na makapag-vlog ako dito, but naiwan ko yung SD card ko kasi nag-transfer ako ng files kagabi. So everything in this vlog is kuha lang ng cellphone ko, which is the iPhone 13. So it's not the best quality, but I still hope you enjoy it. Guys, look at this place at night. It's like their function hall. And this is, I think this is the gazebo. And then there's bonfire here, but they didn't light it. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Yeah, that's the bonfire. That's an A-house. There's a lot of A-house here, but I'm gonna show you the pool. That's the pool at night. See? It's so pretty. That's another A-house, but it's a bigger one. Look, it's so pretty. That's 2-story. Then let's go back to the function hall.
Parents have the right to discipline their children back.
This is our room. We have a fan, but we don't need that. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double bunk beds, and then 1 single bunk bed. And here's the toilet. Here's the toilet and bath, and there's a sink there. And then this is like outside. It's super cold here. There's just trees there. And back in our room. We're going to the pool now. They're in the pool. This is the view, someone.